Hello everyone, I thought I'd take a quick break to give you a bit of a channel update and what I'm doing at the moment on one of the hottest days of the year. It's a bank holiday Monday, the time of filming this, and a couple of days ago I did something that I should have done months ago. I've finally done it, I've bit the bullet. It's putting a plaster on the problem. It's not a solution to my overcrowding problem, but it's going to give me some breathing space, and hopefully the breathing space will reflect in the sort of videos I put out on my channel. Now, a lot of you watching this know that I have a fair few vacuum cleaners, and I'm afraid I've got far too many for the space I have. My mum's loft is full, my loft is full, and I'm in the garage at the moment, and well, it's not as full as it was, but it is pretty full. My channel is suffering because I can't get to the vacuums to demonstrate. I can't find the vacuums to refurbish. I can't find the parts for the vacuums to refurbish. My house is a mess because there's vacuums everywhere, so I don't really have a nice environment to demonstrate the vacuums. For example, you've never seen a full house clean at my house because it's never tidy enough. That's why the ones you've seen have been at my mum's house. The first one I did was the Vaxair cordless cleans the whole house. I did that a few years ago, and that was at my mum's older house, and the newer ones you've been watching have been at my mum's other house. Well, she's been there 2 years now, but her house is always tidy and clean. I'm not saying my house is not clean, it's clean, but it's just a bit too full. So on Saturday we went over to a unit place. What do they call them? Self-storage place. I've signed up and I've got myself a 75 square foot container. It's lovely and cool back there, actually. It's lovely. So we've spent a few trips from Saturday. We were away on Sunday, so this is bank holiday Monday today, so we're going to have several more trips in the car. I can fit about 10 to 12 boxed vacuums in the car at one time, and we're going back and forth to the storage unit. It's only five minutes away sort of in the car. It's not far. So currently I'm in my garage trying to sort out the vacuums I want to put into storage, the vacuums I want to sell, and the vacuums I either need to refurbish or make demo videos of. So this is the first time I've been able to see some of the wall of my garage. A lot of the vacuums are in these moving boxes, and I've written on them or put labels on. So I'm just going through them. It's pretty easy to decide which vacuums I want to store away because I've either done full demos of them, or they're not going to get a demo, not for a while, or I don't know, the vacuums I just don't fancy demoing, or are not important enough to demo at the moment. A lot of these are empty. A lot of these are empty boxes. I do use this Dyson V10. It's on its charging base, that white charging pod. So that is all that I whip out. I haven't used it for a while because I'm using my new Shark. So I'm hoping to do a full review of that new Shark with the anti-hair wrap technology very soon. But my main focus for the next few days is to clear out this garage. There's stuff in the top part. Most of it up there now is empty boxes. There are some cleaners up there that need demos. So basically I'm going through, taking what I can to my storage unit, which is going to leave me, by the end of this little project, I'll come back, not today, but I'll come back and show you what I plan to do. At least now we can get to the tools. So obviously I need to be able to have a clear run right to the end of the garage, from the door to the end, so we can get the tools that we both use. Because this is where you have a problem, folks. If you'd rather just order it from Amazon, because you know you can't, you know you've got something you want, but you know it's going to be too much trouble to get it, you have to order another one from Amazon. That's when you have a problem, and that's when I realised I've got a problem. I also realised I really wanted to get the house sorted. My neighbour has put his house up for sale, so of course his house is the same as mine, obviously differently decorated, but I looked at all his pictures of all the tidy rooms obviously for sale, and I thought, oh, why can't my house look like that? So that sort of started me thinking I've got to bite the bullet and get a storage unit. So it's just a question, a lot of things you've never seen on the channel. I mean, I must have at least 30 to 40 vacuum cleaners and other cleaning appliances that I've never even unboxed on the channel. I might have unboxed them. I do have quite a few that I've never unboxed myself, let alone put them on the channel. But anyway, but it's a lovely day. But I'm here doing this, but it has to be done. It's nice that it's a good day because I can leave stuff out. These are mainly empty boxes, and I've got these are all empty, more or less, as you see there. And anybody who watches my other channel, Roger's Bits and Doings, you'll know that we've just bought a caravan, and there it is. I'm doing caravan videos on my other channel, so if you're interested in caravanning and anything else, tune into my other channel. I'll be doing some specific videos, vacuum cleaners suitable for caravans and other things like that. Any of you interested in the laundry, still got the AEG dryer, still use it. And under there, behind the Electrolux, we've got that Hoover washer that I don't know if my niece, well, she's not my niece, my niece-in-law sort of thing, I don't know if she's having it. Oh, it's behind here somewhere. Where is it? I have to undo the zip. Oh, here it is. Hang on, folks. You just look at that. That's a paint sprayer. It's not a vacuum. Here we go. Oh, I hope the door's open. Oh, it's been closed. I left it ajar. As you should do with washers, leave the door ajar. And if you can, leave the soap drawer open too. Oh, there we are. Oh, is it smelling? It shouldn't. I'm gonna... Oh no, it's okay. It's still okay in there. So yeah, that's that Hoover Dynamic Next. I'll just leave the door ajar. This is just to protect it, really, to stop it getting too dusty or damaged with all my goings on in here. So this is the situation at the moment in the garage. As I say, up there's loads more, but it's mainly empty boxes, I think. Oh, dearie me. By the end of today, I think I'll start to see the wood for the trees. I'll take you now, by the miracle of television or YouTube, I'll take you now to the storage unit, and you can see where some of my vacuum cleaners are going to be kept for the time being. Right, well, here we go. Taking some vacuums to their new, hopefully temporary storage area. La-di-dum. It's lovely and cool in here after being in a very hot attic. Nearly there, I think. Right. Okay then, it's been quite a stressful few days, and still got lots more to do. I've just been dumping things, as you can see, just so we can get in and out quickly. We've come back, we've been here today already and it was busy, so we've come back when it's quiet. I'm here on my own, I think. So this is going to be the home. Well, it's the home at the moment for about 50 vacuums, and as you can see, there's a bit of sorting out needs to be done. The Miele ones aren't too bad. I've stacked those right from there's the Art and a complete C3 and a classic C1 and a Powerline C whatever. We've got some Sebos here, Hoover Aquamaster, the Vax 2100, another Miele upright, all sorts here. So I'm just going to have a little bit of a sort out, so next time we come, it'll be easier. There's loads and loads of room in here. So it's a little bit sad that I've had to come to this, but At least I know they're secure in here, they're stored properly, they're not in a hot loft or a damp garage. They'll certainly be better off in here than they are. But as I said, there's lots more. I can probably put at least another 50 in here with careful sorting and stacking. And hopefully, in the not too distant future, I'll have been able to sort out everything at home, and I'll be able to get these back or start selling them. But the ones I'm going to sell in the near future are staying at home, of course. No point in storing them only to take them out to sell. So these ones are the ones I'm thinking of keeping more longer term, but hopefully not in here, because it's costing me about £120 a month to keep all these vacuums. But I've still got lots and lots more space to fill, which will be filled very soon, I think. Well, that's the end of this quick video, just showing you. A lot of people have asked, where do you put them all? Well, obviously I'm having trouble putting them somewhere, so this is where a nice bulk of my vacuum cleaners are going to be for the time being, just to tidy up my house. So until the next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.